Okay, so I almost did it to us again. I almost started tearing these doors off because I can't stand the way this whole side looks. So, you know, you pull it up on the video on YouTube or whatever, and it'll tell you that you got to take a fender off. I don't believe it. Okay, I think they're lying to you. I think I can get both these doors off and swapped with these ones. I'll have to come and do the guts, door cards, some electronics to swap over. We'll see. Yeah, so I'm gonna set up a time lapse here of me smashing my face against this Honda for another hour or so, and we'll see if it's entertaining. Like and subscribe, make some comments, tell me where I'm messing up here. But anyways, yeah, if I crack this door open, I've got to release this hinge from right here. And I just so happen to have the tooling to do so. Now, there's a grommet, some other stuff, electronic wise. And on this side, kind of the same thing. I can get this on there. If I need to open it up, I can get it a little better maybe. Maybe I have to go to the actual inside here and pop it from this side. Actually looks like that's the best access. So the first thing I need to do is I need to remove this grommet that's in here. I need to pull this out and make sure that electrical connection's cleared. I will probably remove this hanger arm thing, and then I'll start attacking the hinges. I do believe that's it. So yeah, doesn't seem to me that you need to take the fender off. It's clear. So yeah, not sure what that's about. Here we go. Yeah, I'm not sure if it caught this, but I wanted to take a look at these bolts here. This is from the bottom position, this one here. It's kind of there. It's pretty rusty. Not doing very good here, but we got the door off. Time to put a new one on. Well, let's get both of them off. Yeah, so one thing that was important for me to figure out was getting the boot done. We'll do that first on this one. Take a look at the other one, make sure we're not losing pieces. Yeah, so you saw it took me about 2 minutes to get the back door off and about 5 to 10 minutes to get the front off. The only reason it took me longer than it did was because the bottom bolts in each of these doors are heavily rusted at the yeah, so we're gonna keep on moving and get some doors put on. Nice.
A lot of work to do on this door. I just had to swap the internals back over to this one from the one we just pulled out. Along the way, we'll check the electronics, make sure we're good before we button up the door card. Put this little shot here so I can kind of gently rest over approximately me. Have a little bit more control than what I did coming out. So, first things first, I need to get a couple pieces of hardware. I don't want to have anything weird. internal card. Let's see if you guys got that.
All right, this one's a little bit different, as you guys can see. I got a different grommet setup. So let's set up.
Doctors and scientists blue sunshine.
The challenge we have here is just getting this here and then pushing the
Grommet in. And really the connections will be done behind. So as long as that gets set, we're in good shape. Alright, yeah, this one's a little heavier because he's got the card. But it does give me an inside handle, which was the problem last time. Now, of course, I did myself a ton of favors by leaving all the crappy hardware for this door and not cleaning it up before I got to this point. So we're in really good shape for that. So let's... Dogs are barking. Not impressed. Okay. We'll get something in our hand here. Oh, that's a better one there. Get that started. Bring it up.
And now there's
Looks like so. Okay. What I don't like is that we're get it. I can use it now.
sky.
It doesn't feel like it's
And now
really
there's
hard.
traffic.
Money. Alright. User error. Let's hang this door. Now the problem's happening.
It could sky.
Got a door
Now
open,
there's
huh?
traffic.
Alright, let's go ahead and get this rest of this done on my last hit.
Sky.
Well, we got her.
Now there's traffic.
She's straight. I still got to do all the other stuff here, but damn, that went really smooth. Kind of impressed myself there. Gonna check the power to the windows, and we'll call it.
It could.
It's like trees, fluff across the sky.
I had this thought to go in here and try the back window to see if it would work, but I forgot that I don't even have controls in here yet. So I'll have to get this card in first so I can roll this window up. I don't have any bad weather coming, but either way. Hey, you know what though? That is a complete Civic. 100%. I got a little whoop in the hood that I can get myself, but other than that, we were 100% straight, no body damage at this point. Damn, son, where'd you get all that motivation?